Hello everyone, Joash here. Today we are going to learn how to model this, one of the most important tools used in the kitchen. In my country, it's mainly used for cooking ugalai, which is the most stable food in my country. As you can see this guy here, I don't know if he knows how to cook. Maybe you can tell me. Okay, so let's go to our favorite software, that is Blender 2.93, and then click on General. X to delete on this default cube. Let's also delete on this light like that, and then shift A or click on add mesh and then add a cylinder like that. Click on N to see the dimensions and change. So for X I'll use 0.05, for Y I'll use the same 0.05. okay, and for the z-axis I'll use 0.7 meters. We shall add all that later on. So zoom that. Okay, and then go to front of the graphic, R to rotate 90 degrees like that, and then G to pick it on the z-axis, GZ. Okay, like that, and then go to edit mode, face select. So click on this face like that, go back to front of the graphic, and then it extrude a little bit like that, and then click on this other face here, and then go back to front of the graphic. It extrude also, extrude to a value somewhere there, and then extrude again like that, and then SZ to scale on the z-axis like that. It to extrude again, and then we're also going to extrude again, so it to extrude again like that, and then SZ to scale it on the z-axis. No, sorry for that. SZ to scale it on the z-axis like that, and then let's go back to object mode. Click on object, shade smooth. Let's add this sub D modifier to add on the number of polygons like that, and now already we have our cooking stick. Okay, our mwiko in my country. Okay, and then let's zoom that so that we shall look at how it is. Let's add now the wooden texture. We're going to add a wooden texture, so click on Shift A to add, and then here we are going to click on color ramp, place it somewhere here, Shift A again, search for noise texture, this one here, click on it, place it somewhere there, Shift A again, search for mapping, this one here, and then finally Shift A, search for texture coordinate, this one here. So click on object to vector. Okay, vector to vector, vector here. We can move this a little bit like that. So click on vector, click on vector to vector like that. Color to factor, we can also move that a little bit somewhere there, and then color to factor. Okay, color to base color like that. Now click on this place here, we're going to move this black color to somewhere here, and then click on this white color here, and then change on the color, given a color of your choice. I'll give it a some more brown color like that, and then let's go back to layout. we're going to add light, so add mesh. Before that, let's add a plane. So it's already scaled, so scale it, and then go to view using camera, and then view, allow camera to view like that, and we are going to scale it, to scale the plane more like that, and that is it. Now let's give a color to the plane, new, and then base color, give any color of your choice. Today I'm going to use purple color, and then let's add a light now. Okay, so light area for me. Okay, we can now disconnect that camera to view, and then GZ to pick it on the Z axis and place it somewhere there. And then the size for me, I'll use only 0.2 is enough for me, 0.2 meters, and then 1000 watts is enough for me. I'm also told, by the way, that this tool can also be used as an oar, used for rowing a boat. I don't know but that could be. So we can reduce on the strength a little bit. Okay, I think that is okay. GZ to move it on the Z axis again, and then let's click on this cooking stick, R to rotate, and place it somewhere here. Okay, and then we can rotate on this light, R to rotate, that is it. And then yeah, that is okay. So pick this, it has extruded the plane, pick it and place it somewhere there, and that is it. You can rotate and use any value of your choice using what you have learned today. Thank you. So what we'll do next, we're going to render. So I'll click on the place you want to store it, and for me, I'm going to store it in the 3D objects and accept that. File format, use JPEG, and then output properties and the engine cycles. Thank you.